Let's see what I can do with this baby. Excuse the noise, y'all. I'm at Applebee's. I'm gonna see what I can do with this baby. Musashi, however the hell you pronounce this thing. Oh, two people got it, or another person on the other team, he got it.
Hold on.
Let's see what we can do with this thing. Come on, man. Y'all can keep texting me. Do our favorite greetings. See what everybody looking like. Y'all excuse the noise. I'm in Applebee's getting something to eat, but I had to try to play this here, see how this thing is. I turned up the steering, see if I can get this thing to turn. It's definitely slow. I'm gonna hang out here in the back. I'm gonna try to see if it's pretty good at sniping. So, somebody camping.
Thank y'all. You good? I think anytime you move, so if you were using your
Alright, we gotta watch this butcher chop. Let's see if we can hit him. Oh, okay. Oh, wow, that wasn't too bad of a hit. I think I want to go. Let's see if they're gonna hit him. Oh, we got 2 hits in. Ouch. Okay, we got North Carolina hitting me. So it look like we gotta have a longer lead with this thing. Let's see, boom, boom. So yeah, we're gonna have a little bit lead on this thing. You know what? Let me see if I can turn towards this. Oh my goodness, we cornered here. Only one hit. I think they would have been that guy that gets that target and he was whooping. Don't. I saw that. Damage. I like that damage. Uh-oh, that's gonna hurt. It's gonna hurt. But we can take that. But he's gone. You gone. Get out of here.
I don't know how that happened.
Okay, I'm about to like this chip. Whoa, and some more?
It's called
sideways. At all. It's like one more sideways.
Oh, I'm going corner. See if we can get some help over here.
Man, those tacos look so good.
Okay, yeah, this baby is a beast. The hit points is beast.
Who's talking to? That's Malik.
Yeah, this baby is 75 with 2 hits on them. Yeah, I like this. I like this. It's not a bad ship. Excuse the noise, y'all. But yeah, not a bad ship. Not a bad ship. I like it. Oh, are we losing? Oh, no, we're winning. Yeah, it's not a bad ship. Got 3 criticals. Yeah, it's not a bad ship. Not criticals, but what you call it? Whatever you call it. Citadels. That's what I'm looking for. Ooh, come on, y'all. We got this.
He got beat.
We won. Yeah, I like this ship. I definitely like this ship. You got really good hit points. I like this ship. I'm gonna probably switch towards the precise aiming. See if I can get some precise aiming in here. Make it better. Oh, they came out on top.
What you got? Spray
Came out on top. See, look, they gave 185.
That's the highest you ever got? You ain't been over there?
I got three critical hits, 3 citadels. I said 2 fires. This ain't bad. This ain't a bad ship. I like it.
You bought that one? How much?